How to detox naturally. Here are 6 natural foods to help you detox your body. And the best part? You don't have to spend a fortune sourcing them. Unlike the imported avocados and organic kale, these are easily available in any kitchen. It's a new week and we all know how the weekends can be a tad bit indulgent with the Saturday night parties and Sunday brunches. The bottomless sangria can feel a bit overwhelming when the weekend turns to a full-blown weekday. So, what do? Watercress. The peppery leaves are packed with many nutrients vital for the detox system, including several B vitamins, zinc, potassium, vitamin E, vitamin C and antioxidants. Add this wonder ingredient to your salads or bowl of soba noodles. You can even add it to your tea sandwiches. Lemon water. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, which helps the body detox and burn fat. Drink a glass of lemon water every morning to alkalize the body and help with digestion. Dark green leafy vegetables. Though monsoon may not be the best time to get some green leafy vegetables added to your diet, you can take care by washing them well before consuming them. Either eat them raw, lightly saute them, or add to curries.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Fresh fruits. There's nothing more refreshing than a bowl of freshly cut fruits. We suggest eating your fruits whole, instead of juices to reap maximum benefits. Ginger and garlic. A must-use ingredient in Indian cooking, ginger and garlic will cleanse your liver because they help it get rid of free radicals that are built up in the body. Beetroot. The fiber content in beetroot helps increase production of antioxidant enzymes. This helps the liver and gallbladder eliminate bile from the body.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.